Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the new update on LRC. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that LRC has recently broken out another down channel on a daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this channel, by the way, this is a 7 day time frame chart. And this was the channel that I was showing you. And now after the breakout, it is moving towards this very strong and long-term resistance zone that starts from 17.5 cents and goes to 21 cents. And previously, this resistance zone has been working as a support zone here, resistance here, support here, and support here as well. And this support zone and resistance zone right now, you can see that it is working as a resistance zone. And this was when it was working as a support here, it was also working as a recent single point before the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore, it will be very important for the price and to break out this resistance on in order to hit the target for the breakout from this previous and bigger falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for LRC that I shared a few hours ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for LRC that I shared a few hours ago with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bad move that LRC was completing with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has dropped more down and very close to entered this buying zone. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal garden pattern almost 2 days ago. I shared this signal, and this move was formed on a 1-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal for the setup, the buying zone, and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has pumped more than 10%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the link to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of LRC. And this is a weekly time frame chart. First of all, let me to show this recent channels breakout on the daily time frame chart. And now we are moved to the daily time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of March 2024, it was moving inside this channel. And after testing this strong and long-term support zone, that is at 11 cents, you can see that for several weeks, the price has been testing the support zone. Finally, the price geared up and broke out the resistance of the channel. And now we need to break out this very significant and long-term resistance zone that starts from 17.5 cents and goes to 21 cents. You can see that for the past few days, it has been breaking as a resistance here and support here and support here. Let me show you on the 7 days time frame chart. And now we are set to the 7 days time frame chart, and here you can see that this resistance zone has been previously breaking as a resistance zone here, support here, support here, support here, and support here, and resistance here, and support zone here, support zone here, and here it has been breaking a support zone. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line. And this is, by the way, also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that when we broke out this previous falling wedge pattern here in the month of January 2023, before the breakout, the price then tested this support zone and geared up. Therefore, in order to hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, we need to break out this key resistance zone. And after the breakout from this key resistance zone, an imminent move can be possible at the top of the channel to hit their target for the breakout from this channel. That will be approximately at 60 cents. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.